Welcome back. Bomb threat note to Konkan Railway sounded alert at all the railway stations across the state. Passengers got panicked as Konkan Railway security men searched major trains at the Margao railway station. The bomb disposal squad along with the Konkan Railway officials checked every train entering the state on Wednesday. The search operation was on till late night. Konkan Railway had received a note stating bomb will be planted in a train between 1st to 3rd December.
ना एक लेटर आयिल्ले स्टेशन मॅनेजराक एड्रेस करून
ओके
देयर विल बी बॉम्ब इन बिटवीन 1st to 3rd डिसेंबर आणि सो म्हणजे आज आमकां मेळ्ळा तें लेटर तें सो वी आर चॅकिंग ऑल द ट्रेन्स मडगांव.
हे केन्नाच्यान एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट जालो?
या आफ्टरनून.
दनपारच्यान कितल्यो ट्रेनी जाल्यो आतां पर्यंत चेक केल्यो?
आतां पर्यंत 4 जाले.
आनी हे कितले पर्यंत चालू उरतले चेकिंग?
आय थिंक टील मिडनायट टील म्हणजे आतां रातचे मेरेन आज ट्रेनी ते सगळे चेक करतात.
Three culverts along the national highway at Kortali, Sankwal and Vasco would be reconstructed. Government has approved the project to widen the culverts to ease vehicular traffic. This project is estimated to 3.5 crore rupees. Kortali MLA Alina Saldana informed that a bypass road would be constructed to avoid inconvenience to people. Construction of these three culverts would commence by 20th December and would be completed within 4 months.
It's going to be widened 5 meters on the right hand side and 2.9 meters on the left hand side as you go towards Vasco. Now the problem arises because there are water pipelines, then there is the cable, and so all the departments came here today to decide how best arrangements can be made so that you tide over the period while the construction is going on. And I think a solution has been found to all the problems, and a bypass road will be also constructed for the traffic in the meantime, because then the construction of this culvert will take about 4 months. And the work will start hopefully somewhere around the 20th of December.
3 culverts would be reconstructed for widening at the points near Kortali Sankwal, another at Pai Nursing Home and third at the shipyard.
Bottlenecks आशिल्ले NH17 येचेर, सो तेजे आमी इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक येयले. This is the first and the major bottleneck. आता 2/400 किलोमिटराचेर आसा ते. सो तेजे आमी मिनिस्टरा वांगडा लिना साल्दाना मिनिस्टरा वांगडा हांगासर इन्स्पेक्शन केले because of the shifting of utilities.
Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.